Security alert. Amazon Redshift connector for Python is vulnerable. This critical severity flaw carries a CVSS of 9.8. Any attacker on the internet can exploit it without a single password. Amazon Redshift connector for Python versions JAS 2.1.13 contain a critical security flaw. Running pip audit immediately flags the vulnerable package. It matches a known CVE with a CVSS of 9.8. The package is locked in requirements.txt and any environment that installed it is exposed. Until the dependency is updated, every deployment using this version of Amazon Redshift connector for Python is at risk of exploitation. The attacker sends a specially crafted request that triggers remote code execution. In one hit, they can run arbitrary commands on the server, install backdoors, and pivot deeper into the infrastructure. 3 steps to patch Amazon Redshift connector for Python right now. First, update the package directly. Run pip install, upgrade Amazon Redshift Python driver to pull version 2.1.14 from PyPI. Second, lock the safe version in your requirements file. Run pip freeze and update the pinned version, then commit the change. Third, verify with pip audit. Run pip audit and confirm no vulnerabilities are listed. All 3 steps together close the vulnerability and protect every environment that uses this package. The moment a Python CVE drops, NextGuard tells you, not tomorrow, not after your application is compromised. Right now, with full context on what's affected and exactly how to patch it. NextGuardHQ.com